So again, those little spots right at the very tip of the shoulder blade there.
Mm-hmm.